Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive, remove the screw on the right side cover. Unlatch and lift the cover off the system. Identify the PSU hinge and move the tabs to the unlocked position. Lift the hinge to open it. Identify the graphics card and unlatch it. Disconnect the cables and remove the latch. Find the solid-state drive and remove the screw securing it. Lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive, place it back in the system and install the screw. Relatch and reconnect the graphics card cables. Relatch the card, flip the PSU hinge back down and move the tabs to the locked position to secure the PSU hinge. Relatch the right side cover on the system and tighten the screw to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.